Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. I've got a giveaway for you in this video. We are going, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway for the month of July. I can't believe it's July right now. We are giving away the Ace Beauty Slice of Paradise. And look at this super fun, it's got a mirror on the side, but super fun, colorful palette. I'll let you know in a little bit what you need to do to win this beauty. So I've done a series that you guys have liked in the past where I focus in on one specific color and show you some of those colors from my eyeshadow collection. You know I love colorful eyeshadows. So today is all about yellows and golds. Normally I'm not a big yellow person, so it was kind of a struggle to get it. But I'm happy with how it turned out. I think it does look really pretty. So let's dive in. If this is something you're interested, continue to watch. Two biggest rules for my giveaways is that you must be a subscriber and watch the video in its entirety. So let's get into my yellow eyeshadows that I have. And it's only some of them, it's not all of them. And then we'll finish up with the golds, and then we'll also, throughout it, kind of let you know what you need to do to win the giveaway. So from the Nomad JUVIA'S place, I have this color here all across my eyelid. And it has a little bit of a shimmer to it. It is more on the drier side for the JUVIA'S place eyeshadows. From BH Cosmetics, Take Me Back to Brazil Rio edition. This is one of my favorite rainbow palettes. It's got a couple of yellows here. Kind of these two are the ones that I like the most. And they're just so creamy. They are more on the lighter side, so you really have to build it up if you want an intense look. And then here's the lighter one up here too. Has a little tiny bit maybe of a green in it. From Afrique by JUVIA'S, I have the shade Aya as my transition shade. It's this one here. And it's just really buttery and soft, and I love it. Like all JUVIA'S, and they, you know, start out light and then you can build them up to your intensity that you like, because they are really buildable. From Zulu by JUVIA'S, I have this yellow here. This is what I have in my transition and outer quarter buildup. It has a slight little orange undertone to it, but it's super creamy. And then to finish off my yellows, I have the James Charles Morphe palette, and we have the shade B, and it's just super, super creamy. It does come off a little bit patchy, but you can easily blend that out. And I love how it is, you know, kind of a true yellow. Because yellows are sometimes really, really hard to get a true yellow on. Okay, now let's get into some of my favorite golds. You know, I recently did a whole review, everything of the Wahala by JUVIA'S. Love this palette. They have a gold in here, and it's super, super soft pressed glitter. But you don't need a glitter glue or anything. I actually have it on the outer corners of my lid. And here's what that, I mean, look how stunning that is. There is fallout from it, so that's the only thing you really need to be careful about. Look how gorgeous that is. From the Morphe Jeffree Star palette, here is Millions. Kind of a gold shimmer here. It's just a little softer than this one. And you don't need a glitter glue for this one either. It's really, really pretty. I do also like glam wrappers down here. It's really pretty, kind of metallic. From Magic Mini by JUVIA'S is the shade Nubia here. It is so, so stunning. This is gorgeous, gorgeous metallic. From Too Faced Palm Springs Dreams is this really, really pretty dirty martini gold. Kind of reminds me of that last one, but a little bit softer. A lot softer. From a Game of Thrones Urban Decay is Dothraki down here. Light, for a really, really light yellow is this King's Landing. And finally, from the Saharan by JUVIA'S, you have Udabi. It's so, so creamy. I'm gonna run that one across the bottom. Running out of real estate on my hand. And there it is on the bottom. I love those glitters. Look how pretty they are. So those are just some of my favorite yellows and golds that I have. So now for the giveaway. I do all my giveaways on Google Forms. And so I'll put that link in the description box down below. Just make sure to fill it out. Put your YouTube name in there so that way I do check to make sure that you are a subscriber. Remember to like this video and watch it in its entirety. You must be 18 years or older in order to win. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. I do it all on my own. It is open internationally. I am though not responsible for duties, fees, taxes, anything like that for it to get to you or if it's damaged or lost in transit. So this giveaway will go through July 31st. On August 1st, I will go ahead and pick that winner. I do pick using a random number generator, so that way it's fair to everyone. I'll let the person know that they won, and I'll also pin the person's first name and first initial of their last name in the comments to this video. If you want 2 extra bonus entries, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty Ama, A-M-A, and the letter B. And if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I hope that you guys all have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe out there. It's getting a little crazy. And good luck in the giveaway, y'all. I will see you soon. Bye.